tires, they spin really easy on that DG out there. Oop, there you go. Got to take a little bit more of a run at it. It's the first time I put this in the garage, which is another milestone. Got to get it in here so I can have easy access it to replace the clutch. So you'll see those videos coming soon. But this was pretty cool. Getting the 70 in the garage out of the weather. So the reason for moving the 70 was one for to get in the garage so I could do the clutch, but also I needed to move that 68 over. You'll see here in a minute. So the spot where the 68 is sitting, it's only half concrete and half dirt, and I had to put those plywood pieces down there just so I could roll around under there on the creeper and work on that bearing, pulling the oil pan off and stuff. But now I got to move it over into this spot where it's all concrete so I can move around underneath there and finish putting the parking brake together, drive shafts and all that stuff, and service all the fluids. Just wanted it to be a little easier to roll around underneath. So the first attempt, my tire hit that concrete berm right there, and just couldn't get the angle on it with the tractor to push it over that bump. So I put a little bit more of a ramp there, and I also aired the tires up. They hadn't been aired up for a while, so I think I put them up to like 40. Help get over that little bump there. And I repositioned the tractor to get a little bit better angle. There you go, right over the bump. And then jockey it into place. Always fun working on these things, even if it's just moving them around. And it was great getting that one in the garage, so start on the clutch work. Alright, hope you enjoyed this little one. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you're not yet, and we'll see you next time.